Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today we're going to be taking a look at a purchase I got from Ebonyline.com last year, y'all, in the winter. This is the Converti cap from Outre in the color 1B, and the name of her is Lady Lioness. Now, one thing about these Converti caps from Outre, they're so popular, or they're popular to me because I've bought at least 4 or 5 of them already. They're so popular because you can do so many different styles. They're so versatile. And what drew me to Lady Lioness is these big juicy curls. I mean, look at them. This does come with a bacteria resistant cap that's supposed to lay flat. We have a large comb in the front, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, also including the drawstring. That drawstring helps to tighten it up in case you just want to do a ponytail. Now for me, I'm just going to put this on and see what I can work with here. One of the things is you can wear this as a full wig if you want, in case you have edges like I do, and cover up everything, or you can style it in any way you really want. This particular wig comes in many different colors, lots of specialty colors. Now putting this on, this feels good. The hair, it feels soft, it feels lightweight, it's not crunchy. I'm able to run my fingers through the curls. This has a yaki texture, which I love. That's closer to my own hair if I were to straighten it and curl it. And now I'm trying to just see how I can part this, see if I can wear this as a full cap. Now for me, it does lay flat, but for the amount of hair I have in the front, which is not much at all, it doesn't look right. And this does have, feels to me like a little bit of filler hair, so that's why it has a lot more height in it than the general wig. Now I did push it back a little bit more, and look at me, y'all. Look, I may not have much in edges, but I'm at least trying whatever I have. So I pushed it back about 1 inch or so, and just to show more of the hair I really have, and of course my natural hairline, to make it look a little bit more realistic and tie it down and see what happens. But other than that, this particular wig does give you the option to do limitless styling possibilities and reveal your own hairline, as I stated before, for a realistic look, as a breathable and flexible cap that is supposed to lay flat, adjustable drawstring for a custom fit, and it's made with premium synthetic fibers. And these fibers do feel really nice. It's not itchy at all on my scalp, on my neck, on nothing. So as you can see, this is what we have here. And for me, it's still not looking exactly the way I want to look, so I tried to comb it off to the side. That's still not exactly what I want. Now I could have teased the roots a little bit, and I could have left some of my own hair out. That's another way to wear it. That would give it a more natural look, and that I may try that. But because my hair was put back in flat twists, this is what we're working with. So these curls is exactly me. This length is an everyday length. It is so pretty, but I have to do something with the front, so I will. Okay, so now I'm back with a headband. Once I put this headband on, that will be nice. While I'm running my hands through this, I think about, putting this in a ponytail with a headband. It's just so many things you can do with these curls. They're beautiful. There's not much shedding. I think the second day I maybe got 2 strands of hair that came out. It does tangle a little bit though, but I'm still able to run my hands through it without putting any kind of product on it. So what do you guys think so far? Isn't this pretty? Would you get it? Have you ever tried a converted cap wig, even a half wig, or a headband wig? This is all that, all in one, and it's beautiful. I love, love, love the texture. This was super affordable. I purchased this one from Ebonyline.com, where I get pretty much all the wigs that I purchase. And I just love it. It's just beautiful. So anyway, tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments, would you wear this? What different styles would you try with this? What different styles do you think I should try? Should I try this again with my hair out? Should I try it in a ponytail? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now my camera died, so here's a few shots from my iPad as I do some finishing touches here. I ended up wearing my hair like this the whole day. My son told me it looked less wiggy with a headband. And again, another shot of those curls. Look at those big bouncy curls. Perfect texture, lightweight, not itchy, no smell. This is cute. And I think I'm gonna get me another one just so I have another one for backup. Anyway, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.